going on, Rasmus?
Oh yeah! I have Emil on visit, so I just thought to make a grape juice. So we have some root beets and apples and mint and a grapefruit. You need to,
hi guys!
You need to garnish it. Looks delicious. That's how we roll. Cheers, guys.
Are you ready to do the unboxing, Rasmus?
I'm totally ready. We have $8,000 worth of tiger of Sweden, so it's gonna be awesome.
And I just heard that the delivery man is on his way.
It's the delivery man.
I'm rolling with the order we need to unpack. Whoops, sofa coming in. We'll unpack this order. It's a $8,000 order from a brand called Tiger of Sweden. And this shit is not sponsored, sorry for the language. I think we have, how many items do we have? 14 or so? Enough.
Enough items, so I think we should grab a juice, Rasmus.
Yes.
And get to it. Cheers.
Good. Cheers.
We have to do some different light settings.
So what's up, Rasmus? What are you doing?
I'm sharpening the knife. Now ready to get to work. Yes, that's one box.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. So just found some tubes to make some sort of stand.
Now the rack is finished. Let's hang all the items from the order. Rasmus, are you up for it?
I'm already up for it.
Sounds good. Oh,
Wow.
that's what it looks like.
We have pajamas.
Yeah. Pajamas.
Cool. Exciting.
It's a leather jacket. No,
bag.
it's a bag. I can see you have cleaned the sofa area.
Yes, it's like...
That's the way you clean.
Wow. Here we have a couple of suits I can see. This is exciting.
It comes in carry bags.
Yeah. It's very high end. That's spicy.
What do you do with the trash?
More suits.
I'm looking forward to unpack from the transport bags. Are you opening a store, Rasmus?
I think that this is the very first pop-up store. One more rope. Ooh. Now everything is ready.
Be careful, Rasmus. Now it's gonna be interesting to see if it fits, but that you'll be able to see in the episodes coming out later. And if something here doesn't fit, we'll of course return it and check out how fast we will get our money back. So stay tuned. So let's check out the bag. What we have here, we have a travel bag, and this one is a keeper. There's enough space to your belongings. If you're traveling for a week or a day, it's very nice and neat. So you can have one set of clothing. I like those polished shoes, super nice. Maybe you should wear them for a wedding or something, or if you just want to look very, very smart at the work. We also got some cufflinks. It's a very minimalistic design. It's not too loud, so I like that. Here we have a leather belt. It looks actually a little bit oversized. Extremely oversized, but it's a part of the style. We have the rope here. It's like a fur. It looks a little bit like Rasmus' fur jacket. Isn't it nice? Pretty cool.
Alright. So Rasmus, I think I will have the blue one. What do you think? We don't have to fight about it? I actually like both colors. It's definitely a keeper.
What's up, Rasmus?
Now we're ready for unboxing. Army Tuxedo. We already made a video. Watch the review. We have one more here. And it's a grayish color. Blazer. Pretty dope. And what do we have here? This one is a real tuxedo. Here we have a jacket. That's some nice stuff.
Looks nice.
Let's just zip it up. fur inside. I can't wait.
Don't show it yet, Rasmus. Don't show it. How do you think it's going, Rasmus?
It's going awesome.
Can you hand me my juice?
There you go, man.
Thank you.
Cool.
Looks good.
One more jacket.
Oh, this one is nice.
It's pretty cool. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa. Uh-oh. Looks flashy.
Jacket.
Same cut. Which one do you like the most?
It's all different styles, but I definitely like the black one and the army one.
Now you just need a girl to marry, Rasmus.
Yeah, I just need the bride for that jacket. That's the last one.
Oh, this is a classic one.
This one is definitely also one of my favorite. Yeah, I could wear it for work every day.
What are you doing, Rasmus? We had an agreement.
Yeah, but
You could not wear it until next episode.
it looks so fun.
Okay,
Cool.
try this one on. Whoop, we can't show anymore. We can't show anymore. What about the tuxedo, Rasmus, the black one? I really hope it's the right size. Are you happy with it, Rasmus?
I just feel like I need to open a champagne.
Ah, slow down, Rasmus. Alright, then open it.
And open it.
For a minute I thought it was gonna explode. Why don't you hang the tuxedo and get yourself together, Rasmus? We have a turtleneck. I think this one we'll try to pair with the tuxedo velvet. We have a white, and we'll try to pair it with maybe the navy blue or the gray blazer. I'm just looking forward to trying the jackets on. This leather jacket is pretty cool. And I like this one as well. And it's soft too.
What you said?
This is all for today. This is one of the most expensive unboxings we have ever made.
That's right. But it was really fun. We had 3 big boxes from Tiger of Sweden. So now we're looking forward to try it on and give you our opinion about the pieces.
Yeah, and you should stay tuned for some awesome episodes where we'll try the clothing on.
That's pretty good.
It's looking very sharp on you, Rasmus.
Thank you.
You look royal.
I think I'm a little bit royal. I'm looking for a princess.
That's right, Rasmus. You should in that suit. It looks very nice on you. We will shoot a lot more from this unboxing. We'll show you the pieces on, and therefore we'll only say stay tuned to watch more awesome videos.
See you guys next time.